If you need to lay my rods down, you can. I feel like this is the reason why the Washington side just has more bank access. Hey! Hey!
There he is. Hey, just put this on a few seconds ago.
Nice! On the swim bait. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is what you call shut up and fish.
Had him good, huh? Had him on the side of the cheek. There you go. Yeah. Yes, sir.
There you go. Shut up and fish. What are you talking about?
Gooses.
Apartment.
Oh, yeah. By a long shot.
How much were you paying when you were living in an apartment?
We were grandfathered in,
Oh, nice.
so I think when we left, $10.75.
Okay. That's definitely a big jump.
Yeah, yeah. It was, the hard part was I didn't have a paycheck for some months because I was helping out my dad. I think you got me.
Oh, sorry, man.
Oh, you're good.
This way?
Oh, bring it to me. It's wrapped a couple times.
You say the hard part you wouldn't give you a paycheck for a minute, huh?
Yeah, because I was helping out with my dad when he wasn't doing well. So, yeah, no problem. They were all like, everybody was like, how do you think you're going to make rent? And we were just like, oh no, we make a lot more than what's here on paper.
Right. One of my kids, one time they were trying to, after just recently out in Beaverton, he was trying to get a place, and they wanted like 2 months or 3 months, like security or whatever.
Yep.
You want you to come up with that? I'm like, God damn.
Yeah. Yep. No, that was why we had to settle out with our apartment, because they had just kicked us out because there was mold just taking over our bathroom. And they were like, oh, well, we can't have you living there while we tear out the bathroom and whatnot. So they were like, here's $10.75. We'll let you stay for the remainder of the 90 days for free, and good luck.
Wow.
So I was like, oh no, we're lawyering up, fuck this. So we lawyered up, and I was like, I got one.
Whopper Jr.
Yeah, exactly.
Good one.
Boom, boom.
Is that close in?
Got one. Finally. Yeah, he was just sitting here. Finally got one. Took long enough, but yes, sir. Let him go. Deuces. Finally got one, guys. It has been a struggle. It's wet. It was windy. It was nasty. Finally got one. It feels so good to finally get on a board, catch a fish. I'm going back over here to this spot where earlier I did miss one over here. Took my tail, short struck me. But going over here to grab my camera because I forgot it. Oops. But man, feels good. I cannot lie. Let's get back to it. Deuces. Let's go down here and hope I don't slip and kill myself. All right. A little beaver right here.
What's that?
There's a beaver right here.
Beaver?
Yeah, right in front of me.
I see it.
These things are putting off a whole heck of a lot of smoke today. Seeing a sea lion, seeing a beaver. It's been a crazy day, but I mean, it is ending up to be the end of the day, getting close to it. It's turning into a nice day, though. Trust this rock a little bit more than the other one. All right. Yeah, we just missed a really good one. Weather's been pretty bipolar today, but that's okay. Just got hit again. I might have to throw a Ned rig or something out there. There's a seam right here that I'm fishing. You can fish it on that left side, or you can fish it on the right side. It's not really a seam, I guess it's a point. This water's just smashing into it. Let's go a little wider. Then after this cast, we'll go right on top of it. Rocks there. There we go. That's like right on top of it. We're on. Oh my gosh. I don't know if that was a fish. That might have just been a rock. I'm thinking that was just a rock. If so, those fish are all sitting like right there if it was a fish. Might have been a fish. Let's try something different here. We're gonna burn it. Just gonna reel it a little faster. Not quite burn it. Almost makes you wonder if they're following it from out farther and just short striking it once it gets to the rocks, right before it gets there. Those are rocks. Can't quite cast this quite as far, but there we go. Got him. Good one. Yeah, there's a school fish out there for sure. Barely got him. Yep. A little bigger than the last one. All right, mister. Sweet. Not a bad one. I'll take it all day long. Take it all day long. Yes, sir. Let's let him go. Woo. He's on the red rock. There he goes. Deuces. Heck yeah. Heck to the yeah. On the red rattler. There's definitely a school of fish over there. I didn't make the right cast in this one, but. Ooh, big barge. Yep, another one. Oh, he came off. They're just out here, right out in front of me. That's the rocks. So I think we can just keep switching back and forth between baits. Oh, geez. All right, that's it for live. Glasses are turning off. I used them earlier. I'm still alive. Done.